So, hello everybody. Today we'll be doing a real small tutorial on how to edit your calendar on Wix. We've got a 1 hour clients war room, also known as warstriking.com. It's a masterclass combat gym for any level of kickboxers that is located in Sheffield. But on top of that, they've got a lot of online products that people can purchase from all over the globe. So no matter where you are, you can get their stuff. And essentially, what we've done, as they're being our client, we created them a very professional website a year ago. I've managed their plans, websites, calendar, and so on for almost a year now, and we keep on doing it. We keep on upgrading the quality on what people say, on their reviews, and much more. But essentially, this tutorial is not about how to manage a kickboxing gym. It's more about how to manage your calendar. If you got any sort of gyms, any type of gyms, any type of businesses essentially where you need a booking system specifically. But if you got one already made for Wix or on Wix, we'll get into it now. But essentially, when you start, you'll see that you've got your own website going, and this website is Wix Studio, where after you edited your website or before you edited your website, this is your dashboard with all the sales information, booking calendar, inbox marketing, AI agents, analytics. Is basically Wix is a very useful platform that you can use for your own businesses. And I highly recommend it for anyone. So on the left side, you can find booking calendar, and you can find, if you just put your little mouse on there, there's a booking calendar. Go onto calendar itself, and you'll be able to see a bit calendar. Makes sense. And right now, as of now, as you can see, we've got lots of things booked in, lots of things booked out, stuff weekly. There we go. I want to see a weekly calendar rather than daily one, so you can change it on there. But essentially, what we trying to showcase here, and what we're trying to learn, is how you can delete or say add things to your calendar. So essentially, free space on our Friday classes on our Friday, which is 26. Actually, let me go on to next week. No, we'll stay on this week because it's 22nd today, and this is this week's Friday. So we can hold down the left mouse click, and we can drag our I'd say section time. So essentially, half of the full square is an hour, and half of it is half an hour. So this would be half an hour session, this would be an hour session, this would be an hour and a half session, this would be a 2 hour session. Um, so what we want to add is a 1 hour session at 8 in the morning on Friday 26th of September. We'll on hold that, and we'll create a class session, which essentially we will then choose what service it is from the ones that we already made, and say this will be a private tuition at Chantry Place, which is the right location. Our staff is Jordan Rarian, aka the owner. Start time, we're not touching that. 8 a.m. Fair enough. We can change it if we need to. We can. I'm sure you can be very specific with it as well if you need to, but we'll keep it 8 a.m. Duration also quite straightforward. You can have it 45. You can have 15, half an hour, an hour. And this is quite important, guys. So this is the repetition of this session. So essentially, on your booking calendar, it can occur once ever. It can occur on weekly basis, so every week. It can occur every 2 weeks in a month. It can occur every 3 weeks and occur every 4 weeks. But I would recommend keeping it on a weekly basis. So therefore, if you run in this gym, you want a repeatable session on your calendar. You always maintain that session, and you run it on a weekly basis. Therefore, the repeat value for this session will be weekly. And you can also add it onto another days, which is quite cool. And after that, you press save and add. There we go. So now on our calendar, we will have the session. Oops, didn't mean to click that, but it's fine. Also, we now don't need this session because all I wanted to do is just show you how to add it onto our calendar. So we will press on cancel session, and we will cancel all future Friday 8 a.m. sessions because we had it on a repetition of weekly basis. Therefore, when canceling a session, make sure you cancel on the all future Friday 8 a.m. sessions or whatever you have set it up as for your business. So in my situation, it's 8 in the morning. I don't want it to be repeatable no more. I don't want it to be on our calendar. We'll take it off. Yes, cancel session. We don't really want to notify our clients because essentially, I don't want them to be seeing a email from warstriking.com at 22:37 on Monday night. So we'll keep it unticked and we will say yes, cancel sessions. We'll do that again on here because I've added 2 sessions by accident, but it's fine. And yes, cancel all the sessions. So this is how you basically manage your calendar. And if you guys want some more tutorials on Wix, which is amazingly unbelievable, lots of things you can do in Wix, lots of cool things. But drop this video a like, leave a comment, subscribe onto the channel. Also check out the school community that I'm running. Lots of useful things about automation, AI, Wix, and much more. Much more. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy it.